The 2002 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, front air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.